Hole number 9, a challenging par 5. Some really nice movement in the terrain of this hole, and we're gonna capitalize on that. It has a slight dog leg to the right. So to accentuate that dog leg to the right, we're going to initiate a fairway bunker on the right-hand side. So once again, that's kind of a clue of how you may play that hole. You're going to want to play up the right-hand side of this hole to have the best approach into that second landing area, or even the green if you choose to go for the green. To help us with the playability of that, because we've put something on the right, to help us with the playability of that, we're going to give you some room on the left now. And what we're going to do is remove that left fairway bunker that you see currently see off the tee. We're going to replace that with bent grass fairway and some rough. So if you choose not to deal with that bunker on the right, you can go around the left. So once again, initiating some options that perhaps weren't there in the past. If you choose to take the aggressive route, which should be close to hugging that right-hand side bunker, you're in a great driving position. You're going to be presented with a second landing area that's going to play on the deception aspect. You're going to see a bunker on the left that really hides that second landing area. But as you know, after you've played it a few times, you know that there's going to be ample room beyond that bunker, but it's still there. It's angled so that it's more in your face. So you're going to have to decide whether you want to take that on or you want to play to the right and have a more simpler shot to the green, but further back. If you do take that more conservative route, that bunker on the right-hand side of the green, I think there was 2 there previously, we're turning that into 1 again, but we're going to rotate that around. Once again, we're going to bring it close to the center axis of that green. So if you're going right, as a more conservative play, you're going to have to deal with that green side bunker to go over it. On the left-hand side though, because that's the ideal way to come into this hole now, we're going to create some room for you. We're going to have some bent grass roll off. All those mounds that were there previously on the left-hand side have been eliminated, and we're going to go with a nice consistent turf surface running about 2 or 3% of bent grass. So you'll have the ability to challenge that hole if you want to in 2 or 3. And if you miss the green to the left, you're just going to go off into a bent grass roll-off that will filter off down to the left. I think the playability aspect of this hole is vastly improved. Once again, we've initiated some options there and allowing the golfer to make some decisions on how they want to approach this hole. So once again, it just plays into the overall philosophy of making the golfer think a little more with the strategic placement of these bunkers.